How SolidWorks can help you in school. Are you taking a class where you analyze fluids? If you are, this video will show which SolidWorks tutorials can help you in your class. To view these tutorials, you first need to open a new part, then go under Tools, Add-ins, and select SolidWorks Simulation and SolidWorks Flow Simulation. When dealing with fluids, static cases are sometimes considered when it is just the force of a fluid on an object. In cases like this, the problem can be analyzed using SolidWorks Simulation. To view these types of tutorials, go under Help, then SolidWorks Simulation and Tutorials. In the window that appears on the right, select Static. The tutorial called Non-Uniform Pressure looks at the forces that fuel exerts on a container and is a good example of a static case that can be applied to other situations. Tutorials on dynamic flow can be found under Help, SolidWorks Simulation, and then Flow Simulation Online Tutorial. These tutorials cover typical fluid topics such as drag coefficient on a cylinder, hydraulic loss, and impellers. Not only do these tutorials show how to solve the problem stated, but they provide the techniques that can be used to solve other problems that may be encountered in class or elsewhere.